I'm Meera. Welcome to PLN Explains. Deepfake videos and AI. Misuse. What legal remedies do you have? Imagine receiving a video that looks exactly like you, but you never recorded it. Or hearing your own voice used to scam your family or damage your reputation. This is the growing threat of deepfake technology. Artificial intelligence has created incredible opportunities, but it has also made identity theft and digital deception easier than ever. Today, we'll understand what deepfakes are, what Indian law says about them, and how you can protect your rights. What is a deepfake? A deepfake is an image, video, or audio recording created or manipulated using artificial intelligence to make it appear authentic. Deepfakes can falsely show a person saying or doing something they never actually said or did. Common forms include fake celebrity videos, voice cloning, financial fraud using AI-generated calls, fake interviews, non-consensual intimate images, identity impersonation. While AI itself is not illegal, using it to deceive, defraud, harass, or damage another person's reputation may attract serious legal consequences. What does Indian law say? India does not yet have a single law dedicated exclusively to deepfakes. Instead, victims may rely on a combination of existing laws. The Information Technology Act 2000 addresses several cyber offenses involving unauthorized access, identity misuse, electronic records, and intermediary obligations. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 may apply where deepfakes are used for offenses such as cheating, forgery, criminal intimidation, defamation, impersonation, publication of obscene material or other criminal acts, depending on the facts of the case. Where personal data is processed unlawfully, the Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023 may also become relevant, particularly when personal information is used without lawful authority. What remedies are available? If you become the victim of a deepfake, you may have both criminal and civil remedies. Criminal remedies may include filing an FIR where a cognizable offense is disclosed, reporting cyber offenses to the police or cybercrime authorities, seeking investigation against those responsible. Civil remedies may include seeking injunctions to remove or restrain publication, claiming damages where reputational or financial loss has occurred, requesting online platforms to remove unlawful content under their grievance mechanisms and applicable legal obligations. What should you do immediately? If you discover a deepfake, do not panic. Preserve the evidence. Take screenshots. Download the original link if available. Record the URL, username, date and time. Report the content to the platform immediately. If the content involves fraud, impersonation, extortion, or other criminal conduct, report it to the police and the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal without delay. Early reporting increases the likelihood of preserving digital evidence and limiting further harm. Prevention is better than litigation. While the law provides remedies after harm occurs, prevention remains the best protection. Be cautious before sharing high-quality photographs, voice samples, or sensitive videos publicly. Enable two-factor authentication on important accounts. Verify unexpected requests for money or confidential information, even if they appear to come from someone you know. And remember, seeing is no longer the same as believing. Artificial intelligence is transforming society, but it must be used responsibly. Deepfakes can threaten privacy, reputation, finances, and public trust. Knowing your legal rights and acting quickly can make a significant difference. Technology may evolve rapidly, but the rule of law continues to protect individuals against misuse. This was PLN Explains. I'm Meera. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and join us again as we simplify India's legal system for everyone.